Meaning of double rhyme.
Double rhyme.
Double rhyme.
Double rhyme.
Double rhyme. Double rhyme, also known as dactylic rhyme, occurs when both the stressed and unstressed syllables of two words in a verse sound identical from the vowel onward. This type of rhyme is often used in poetry to create a musical and rhythmic effect. It can be achieved by using two words of three syllables where the first two syllables are unstressed and the third is stressed, such as cafe latte and radiography. The repetition of similar sounds creates a sense of unity and cohesion within the verse.